So we have connected and we are going to start the discussion. So let us have a basic understanding. Let's take a question. The question is basically if sets. So I'm taking a question here. I think it can be referred. Let me just tell you from where the question is, and you can refer it. It is from the Cengage book I have taken, Tewani book, illustration 1.1. So the first part is given at solution number 1 for the solution. Initially we have sets A is equal to minus 3 and 2 and is a closed bracket, and B is equal to minus 1, 5 is a closed bracket. Now you have to find the following set, like let us say 1 A intersection B. So A intersection B, A is minus 3 and 2. Intersection B we need to find. So for that, I'll just try to make a number line first here. That will be more better to get an idea. Okay. So number line I have made, and okay. So this number line, what we'll do? So we have, let us say this is 0, and this is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3, minus 4, like this, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So let us mark what is A here. It is minus 3 to 2. So if you mark minus 3 to 2, let me just so it is minus 3 to 2. Okay. This is minus 3 to 2 for A, and what I can say is it is minus 3, open bracket is there, and a closed bracket is there for 2. Let me mark both of them together first, and then I'll do the other part. We have minus 1 to 5. To 5 we are having. Okay. So let us now do one thing. It is set A. So I'll just say that it is. I'll just erase this particular part. Okay, not possible. Let me just do one thing. Let me do one thing here. That is, this is be open. This will be open, and this is closed. Okay, and here it will be open, and this will be closed. Okay, so this is 5. So A intersection be should be -1 to 2, should be -1 to, and -1 is open already. This is closed, and this is the answer, as -1 belongs to A. So this is क्या हो गया? So what will happen? Let us see. So here, why we have done this? A intersection B, obviously B is there on this, and this is A, obviously. This is A, this is B, where -1 belongs to A, but -1 does not belongs to B. Okay, so that we have to understand. So it will be -1, 2. Okay, this is the answer. Let us try one more question, or let us say 1 or 2 questions like that. So A intersection B will be from this particular part, so I can refer this as this is A intersection B, and similarly we can find B minus A, B minus A. Let us say we want to find B minus A. Now for this, what is B here? That is B minus A. Obviously, in this part will be there, but 2. And why we are having like this? B minus A. In A minus B, what will happen? In B minus A, both we have to see. So let us try A minus B first. So A minus B. Whenever we are trying A minus B, so something comes into picture. A minus B. Why we're taking only this part? A minus B. A minus B. So we have A is the initial set and minus B we are doing. In that case, this will be equal to open bracket, right? Right? Open bracket minus 3 minus 1. It is a closed bracket. Why? Because minus 1 is there uh, as minus 1 does not belongs to B, but minus 1 belongs to A minus B. Okay. And similarly, we can find the last one we can say from here. That is third B minus A. For B minus A, we have 2 comma 5, but 5 will be a closed one and 2 will be open one. B minus A as 2 belongs to what? A, and 2 does not belongs to B minus A. This is the part we have to understand properly. So B minus A we have done in this case. We have just noted that open bracket we have to keep at 2 and close bracket at 5, and because the 2 belongs to A only and it does not belongs to B minus A. For A minus B, the same thing. Minus 3 was open because already is an open bracket, and minus 1 is a closed. Minus 1 belongs to B. Minus 1 belongs to B. Okay. Minus 1 belongs to B. Minus 1 minus 1. So in this case of B minus A, we have uh, 2 as a open bracket. Why? Because b minus a we are doing, and for a also we have 2 there in a closed bracket, right? That's the reason why it will be open bracket there and a closed bracket 5. And in case of a minus b, so minus b, if you do, minus 1 is not there now, so it will be minus 3 open bracket and minus 1 open bracket we are just deleting now. Minus 1 does not belong to a, and a minus b we are doing here, so minus 1 does not belong to b here, so it will be a closed bracket. Okay, that is a good question again, sir. Inequalities is there in the next part, and then we can discuss that. There is no foundation, etc., but we'll discuss a bit later because break is important. Okay, so yeah.